Passing the GitHub Foundations exam isn't about memorization. It's about hands-on skill. Here's how to prepare effectively. Many candidates approach the GitHub Foundations exam like a vocabulary test, memorizing definitions for terms like fork, pull request, and issue. This is a common mistake. The exam rewards practical, hands-on experience with the GitHub platform. The fastest way to prepare is not by reading endless documentation, but by building a small project and using the core workflows the exam covers. Actually using GitHub is the key to understanding the concepts in a way that sticks and translates to exam success. The GH-900 exam is broken down into 7 domains, but they aren't weighted equally. Understanding Git and GitHub basics is the largest, accounting for up to 30% of the exam, so your fundamentals must be solid. The next most important areas are collaboration, repositories, modern development, and security. These 4 domains together cover the majority of the exam questions. Focusing your hands-on practice in these heavily weighted areas is the most efficient way to prepare and score well on exam day. The best way to build muscle memory is with a hands-on drill. Create a practice repository. Add essential files like a README and a license. Then create a new branch and edit a file. Open a pull request to merge your change and request a review from a collaborator. Next, open a few issues using labels and milestones to practice project tracking. This simple sequence covers repository basics, the core collaboration workflow, and project management fundamentals in a practical, repeatable way. The modern development domain trips up many candidates, especially GitHub Actions. You don't need to be a DevOps expert, but you must understand the structure of a workflow file. Be able to identify triggers, jobs, steps, and runners from a simple YAML file. The best way to learn this is to write one yourself. Create a basic workflow that runs on push, checks out your code, and runs a single command. This one exercise covers most of what the exam asks about actions. Don't lose easy points on security and administration. These questions often cover features found in the Repository Settings tab, which many self-taught users never explore. Make sure you can explain the difference between Dependabot, secret scanning, and code scanning. Understand what branch protection rules do and how to enforce them with required reviews. Know how to enable 2-factor authentication for your account and why it's important. These are concrete features the exam expects you to recognize and understand. Finally, avoid the common administrative traps that can ruin your exam day. First, always register for the exam with a personal Microsoft account, not a work or school account, to ensure you never lose access to your certification records. Second, make sure the name on your government ID exactly matches the name on your certification profile. Third, if taking the exam online, run the Pearson VUE system check on your computer well in advance, not the night before, to avoid technical surprises. Now you know the strategy. Put it into action by visiting the full article on openexam_prep.com to follow the hands-on repository drills step by step. While you're there, use our free AI-powered practice questions to test your knowledge, identify your weak domains, and build the confidence you need to pass the GitHub Foundations exam.